Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Despite losing 1-0 to Trinidad and Tobago on his debut game on local soil, Reggae Boyz head coach Heimer Hallgrimsson says he has seen enough to take heart from going forward. Hallgrimsson, who is overseeing his third game with the Jamaicans, says overpassing also played a part in the results. More in this report.
Montagonians showed their appreciation for the Reggae Boyz as several fans turned up for the game to witness the homecoming of coach Heimer Hallgrimsson. They were well behind the Jamaicans, who struggled in the opening part of the game as the Trinidadians made their intentions known early. Despite the Reggae Boyz having a few looks at goal, it was the Trinidadians who got the vital piece that matters, a 67th minute goal from Rian Moore, which proved to be the winner. But Hallgrimsson says the Reggae Boyz didn't deserve to lose.
Played too much instead of delivering it in the box or shoot or cross. We were just overpassing at times. Positive things, a lot of players were playing their first national team match, so that goes into their experience bank.
But Hallgrimsson says credit must be given to their opponents.
We wanted to play out in the wings and take the crosses from the wingers, but it was but we should give a little bit credit to Trinidad as well. They played a certain tactical game, but we knew they would kick a long ball and conceded still from a long ball. So.
Captain on the night, Adrian Mariappa, believes there is better to come from the group in the second game at the National Stadium.
I thought we got in some good crossing areas. We turned down quite a few opportunities to put the ball in the box, especially with two strikers. Because I thought when we did, we looked dangerous when we got the ball up to the strikers. And we had moments where we looked lively in the game. But overall, we know we can do a lot better than that. But like I said, we're building.
Schoolboy sensation Dejan Whisper Richards, who was sent on at the start of the second half, was a hit with the crowd as he made his debut for Jamaica.
Performance, not really good, but I can say try to give the team as much as I can give, and we didn't get what we want.
Richards only this week signed a pre-contractual agreement with English Premier League outfit Chelsea, but will not be eligible to join until after his 18th birthday in November.
Personal-wise, abandoned football is good, and I'm happy to be with two Jamaicans at one team, and I will see if I can adapt quickly.
The second game at the National Stadium will kick off at 7 p.m. on Tuesday. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.